Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signing in now to the account that held the contacts. This step matters because restores come from account-level snapshots. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is available and your device has power. Open the Web Contacts interface or the phone's contact settings. This is faster and safer than local guesses. Begin immediately with the account's Restore or Undo feature. It locates the last saved snapshot so you don't overwrite existing data. Now you choose the actual snapshot to restore. Pick a time just before deletion occurred because that minimizes lost updates. Once done, select the restore range. Many services allow up to 30 days. Some offer multiple snapshot points. Confirm the action and watch for merge prompts. These show how duplicates or conflicts will be handled. After confirming, the service rewrites contact entries from the snapshot, restoring deleted contacts while keeping current records intact as specified by the merge options. After the restore finishes, verify by searching for key contact names and scanning groups or labels to ensure entries and phone numbers returned. If everything looks correct, export a new backup as CSV or vCard so you have a local copy. This prevents repeated recovery steps. If contacts are still missing, make sure you checked all linked accounts and any device-level backups. Sometimes the data was in a different account. One troubleshooting tip: if you don't see expected snapshots, review account activity logs and try a longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.